Well, thanks for clicking on to the tea time edition of Vogan's European Outlook. It's Tuesday the 22nd of May. Tomorrow I will have the June Outlook and of course the final few days of May, the ideas also. But very much the pattern is behaving as expected. We do have high pressure building across Scandinavia, and that will extend over the British Isles as we go through the remainder of this working week. Western Mediterranean, Iberia into France, we've got lower pressure, so therefore we've always got that threat of rain and showers as well as thunderstorms as well. So as we skip through the sequence here, you can see how the pressure builds midweek onwards across the British Isles. But notice here we've always got that lowering of heights across the western side of the English Channel, so there is always that chance with lower heights we have a less capped atmosphere. What does that mean? It means that we have the potential for instability, thunderstorm development here. Convection always that more probable. Further north we've got a more capped atmosphere, so the air is warmer with elevation, and therefore we don't have the same dynamics for shower and thunderstorm development here. So plenty of warm sunshine is going to be on offer mid to late week across particularly the northern half of the British Isles. Yeah, it's going to be warm, it's going to be humid. The warmest temperatures is going to be in the southeast, but we also have that threat of showers and thunderstorms during, particularly from about lunchtime onwards. Further north, we've got more in the way of sunshine throughout the course of the daylight hours, and therefore we have got the best of the weather. Now, as we continue to skip through this weekend here, you notice here the GFS ensemble 500 millibar heights. The anomalies indicate the strongest of high pressure across the northern half of the British Isles. And like I say, we're always keeping our eyes further south for that low pressure and instability. Continue to skip right through the way next week and into the beginning of June. We've got still high pressure holding firm across the British Isles overall. Always that threat of shower and thunderstorm activity across more southern parts of the UK. And this is going to be the theme as we go into the month of June. The ground is now starting to dry out as expected after a somewhat unsettled and wet start to May. We have now lost that unsettled theme. High pressure is remaining in firm control, and therefore this is all pointing towards a dry and warmer than normal June overall, and I will have more on that as we go through the course of tomorrow. I'm going to have, of course, the June Outlook. Let's have a quick look at the CFS V2 weeklies, which unfortunately are updating, so I'm not going to have the chance to do that. Let's have a look at the GFS 2 meter temperature anomalies, the 5-day increments here, and we can see exactly how this month is going to play out here. So upcoming 5 days here, you can see that it is warmer than normal, always that bit cooler than normal with an easterly flow off the North Sea here. Always once you get central and western parts of the British Isles, you're seeing the warmest of the conditions compared to normal. The 6 to 10 day, you can see here that we've got well above normal temperatures here to end the month of May and begin the month of June here, and even the 11 to 15 day, we're still talking about warmer than normal conditions here. So it is looking good as we go through the next 10 days, taking us into the month of June. And yeah, I'm fairly optimistic that at least the first half of the summer could be great in terms of weather. Hope you have a great day, and do check out the monthly Outlook published tomorrow. Bye for now.